Holy freaking moly, look at this. We have something exclusive in the house from OnePlus. Today, OnePlus has announced their very first tablet, the OnePlus Pad, and we have a special media kit package from the company. And I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show you this thing in this video. So, along with the pad, we are also getting some official accessories included in this package. So, as soon as you open it, there you go, boys. This is OnePlus Pad, which I was talking about, and we'll come to this and unbox it in a moment. Keeping that aside, these are your official accessories. You're getting a OnePlus magnetic keyboard in the same color and finish, and lastly a stylus is also included. They're calling this one the OnePlus Stylo. So first let's get started with the tablet unboxing. So OnePlus Pad is special, guys. It has a completely different sort of design, and the hardware on it is also like pretty sick. We'll come to that in a moment. As soon as you open it, there you go. This is what I've been waiting to show you. OnePlus all new Pad, and look at this. It has a completely different 7:5 aspect ratio, which they're calling it as RAID fit format. We'll talk about the display and a whole new design also in a moment. Along with that, you're getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read that, and a powerful 100-watt super VOOC charger that can charge your tab from 0 to 90 in just 1 hour, and a Type-C cable for charging. That's it. So now let's finally get our hands on and check out our first impressions of this tab. Okay, initial impressions, tab looks very premium, guys. Nothing less expected from OnePlus over here. And first thing I've noticed is the aspect ratio. The whole design is very different, guys. Not 16:9, not 4:3. This is 7:5. So the main reason they went with this sort of 7:5 aspect ratio design is during research, OnePlus found that this is much more comfortable for reading any sort of documents or anything on web compared to 16:9 or 4:3 aspect ratio. That's why they went ahead with this design. And now talking about the display on the front, you're getting 11.61 inch 144 hertz IPS LCD display, and at the top you're getting an 8 megapixel front camera, and that is pretty much it over here. There's nothing on the front side. So let me just give you a side profile as well. Oh ho ho, look at this, very slim profile, guys. I think the thickness is only around like 6.5 mm, very slim profile, I would say. To the side you're getting volume rocker, two buttons are there, up and down, and I think this is your microphone, and there's also like a magnetic holder over here, must be for the stylus. And let me tell you, both the display and audio are very special over here. You're getting both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support with a quad speaker system on board, two speakers on the left side and two speakers on the other side. So on the bottom side you can observe you're getting a Type-C port for charging, and there's one more microphone as well. So that is pretty much it, I guess, on all the sides. And over here you can check out your magnetic connector for the keyboard. It attaches magnetically as usual, just like any other tab. And there you go, boys. Here's how the back of the pad looks like. Very neat, right? I think it's only available in one color for now, which is this halo green, and looks lovely. Full unibody metal design, and look at this, you're also having this radial metallic sort of patterns which gives a very premium finish. And not only that, you're also getting like a slight 2.5D sort of round edge design on the body. Feels very nice and comfortable when you're holding it in the hand. And talking about the camera, oh ho ho, look at this. That is actually a very big camera dial for a tab especially. You're getting a 13 megapixel camera at the backside that can shoot up to 4K at 30 fps, and also a tiny LED flash as well. The bump is definitely a bit thicker, so I'll have to see how it sits on the surface. Very clean sort of design, guys. And coming to the battery, it comes with 9510 milliampere battery. So that was about the tab, and here you go. This is the stylus that you get included in the package. Pure white stylus with the OnePlus branding on it, and they're calling it as OnePlus Stylo. So it's magnetic. It also attaches to your tab just like this. We'll talk about the stylus quality and basically all of its features once I power on the tab and use it for some time. And last but not the least on our list is this keyboard, guys. It's their magnetic keyboard official accessory. Let me just quickly open it. Oh, look at the color. Very nice. Just like any other tab that you're getting official magnetic keyboards, this also has the same sort of design. You're getting like a chiclet island keyboard on it, and there's also like a tiny touchpad as well just below the keyboard. So basically this accessory gives you two features. One, it gives you protection for your tab. It acts like a cover, very nice foldable sort of design. And second, you're also getting a keyboard and touchpad with it. So it's like multi-purpose, I would say. The outer cover can actually split at the center and fold. So this is how you need to actually place it on a surface. And now you can easily use this keyboard in action. So that is pretty much it, guys, our quick unboxing and stuff. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the tab and then be right back to continue this video. Alright boys, I'm back. OnePlus Pad is all set up and good to go. First of all, let me just quickly power on the display and show you how it looks like. I've told you right, OnePlus Pad features 11.61 inch 144Hz ultra fast IPS LCD display. Now I'm not sure what to talk about the resolution because it has a very different sort of aspect ratio, 7:5, not 16:9, not 4:3, and the resolution is also around like 2800 by 2000. So this is slightly above 1080p level of resolution guys, but initial impressions, display is damn attractive. It's like super smooth and fast. We'll talk about the performance as well in a moment. First, let me show you the general settings and stuff. So yes, in the Wi-Fi settings, it does support dual band Wi-Fi, and going to the about section, let me show you the storage and other info. This is the 12 plus 256GB edition guys. You also get like 8 plus 128GB variant. So out of 256GB, 30GB has been used by the system. So you're having like 220 plus GB of free space available guys, more than enough for a tablet. And yes, RAM expansion is also possible. You can expand from 4 to 12GB as per your requirement. So totally you can expect around like minimum of 16 gigs of RAM on this tab. So pretty decent I would say. And yes, it's also running like latest Android version, which is Android 13 with Oxygen OS 13, and you know, very light skinned UI. You people might be familiar with OnePlus UI, right? Same as found on your OnePlus phone. So very minimum number of apps are installed guys, not much of bloatware. So that is what I really like about OnePlus devices. And if you look at the display also, display has like rounded edges on the corners, and bezels are also like reasonably thin considering it's a tablet guys. So this much to bezel hota hai. Any tab you take, this is common. Wait a second, I haven't shown you the stylus, right? So it connects wirelessly to the tab, using magnets at the top of the tab, just like this. And once you do that, tab will automatically recognize the stylus and keeps charging it wirelessly, guys. So that is how it works. Very simple, easy to use, just like any other tab out there in the market. So in the meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some 4K videos, and show you how the display and audio quality on this tab looks like.
Dear Vimal, can you build a budget PC? Affordable, super budget.
Woo! So yeah, I've actually been seeing a lot of these comments lately on my channel.
So hey guys, this is Sheetal
And Vimal here, and guess what? We both are back on the channel after quite some time.
What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. First of all, OnePlus Pad features 11.61 inch 144Hz super smooth IPS LCD display with resolution of 2800 by 2000. But the main unique point over here is that unique 7:5 aspect ratio, and OnePlus is calling it as read fit display. So it was made for like a comfortable viewing experience, especially if you're reading stuff on internet or maybe browsing novels or these sort of stuff. But at the same time, when you use it for entertainment sort of stuff, watching YouTube videos, you'll definitely see like big stripes at the top and bottom. So that is something you'll have to keep in mind. Anyways, talking about the display quality is really good over here. OnePlus has definitely used like one of the finest IPS LCD displays in the market. But see, yeah, for this price point, I felt OnePlus could have gone for an AMOLED display. Considering there's already competition in the market that are offering OLED panels with 120Hz refresh rates around similar price points. Anyways, if you talk about the detail, there's good amount of detail guys. It's slightly higher than 1080p resolution, right? No matter what sort of content you're watching, everything looks crisp and clear, and colors are also really good for an IPS panel. It was producing rich, accurate, vibrant sort of colors. Contrast levels were nice, though black levels were not as black as you would expect on OLED panels. But apart from that, good addition is it does support Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos as well. So Dolby Vision HDR definitely gives you that great impact whenever you're watching web series or supported movies in this format, and definitely enhance your media consumption experience. Brightness of the tab was also pretty decent guys. The panel can go almost up to 500 nits of brightness, so I had no issues checking out the tab display even in outdoor bright situations as well. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the sound, right? It features quad speakers, two on the left side, two on the right side, and is powered by Dolby Atmos, and speaker setup on this thing is pretty good. There's good amount of clarity. Everything was like crystal clear guys. All the dialogues were like clearly audible, and audio output is also like pretty loud and satisfying. It's totally satisfying experience, I would say. So before I wrap up the video, let me give you a quick touch on the performance as well. This tab is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9000 octa-core chipset guys. It's a very powerful CPU and can easily do lots of tasks, and you've seen during the whole video, right? Tab was like running muska guys. Super smooth UI navigation, opening and closing of apps, day-to-day related tasks were like factor on this tab. And not only that, I've also ran a couple of benchmarks including Geekbench 6. Here are the results, just have a look at them. You can easily run graphic intensive works and tasks on this thing, not an issue at all. And talking about gaming, yes, it's also great for gaming. Now this is not like a dedicated gaming review, so I won't be going in depth and talking about that. We'll keep that for a second part. Right now, to just give you like a quick glance, I've just booted up Asphalt 9 and we're playing this game at 60 FPS settings, high visual quality graphics, and as you can see, game was running like really smooth over here, guys. So far, very consistent performance on this tab, I would say. Well, that is pretty much it, our quick unboxing and initial impressions on the OnePlus Pad 2023. It's a beautiful looking pad, guys. You're getting like a nice IPS 144Hz display, quad speaker setup on it, and also couple this official accessories like the magnetic keyboard, stylus and everything. So far it looks like pretty decent attempt from OnePlus in the tablet category. So I'll be using this tab for a couple of days and then I'll be making my full review video. In that video we'll be going in depth and we'll be talking about the accessories part as well. Apart from that, we'll be going in depth and talking about the camera quality as well, gaming performance, day-to-day performance with the thermal performance included, and yes, lastly battery life will also be covered. And finally, coming to the price, OnePlus Pad will be available at a starting price of around 37,999 for the base variant, which is 8 plus 128, and our 12 plus 256GB edition will cost around 39,999 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.